Every day, tens of thousands of new products go live online. Some sell out within days, others can't move a single unit. The key to winning in e-commerce isn't just effort, it's spotting the next bestseller before everyone else does. But if you're still spending hours refreshing Google Trends or scrolling through TikTok hashtags, you're already too late. So, why not let AI Pickr tell you what's going to sell next? AI Pickr is a brand new intelligent product picking tool from Doba, built specifically for dropshipping sellers. It analyzes market trends and consumer behavior across Doba's massive product catalog to identify items with the highest sales potential. In simple terms, it takes the guesswork out of product research and replaces it with data. So, how does it work? It's super easy. When you open AI Pickr, you can start from 3 main entry points: best-selling, high profit, and rising stars. AI Pickr automatically analyzes recent trends and profit potential to give you personalized recommendations that match your goals. If you already have a product idea in mind, you can also go to Source by Hot Category to explore trending subcategories and focus on the niche you care about. And here's where it gets really powerful. You can even ask your own custom questions. For example, simply type, "the best-selling storage box." AI Pickr will prompt you to set your preferred filters, like shipping cost, delivery time, and processing time. Then it instantly narrows down products that meet all your criteria, and shows you detailed insights including sales potential, pricing range, and recommendations. With just a few clicks, you can lock in the products most likely to perform, no spreadsheets, no guesswork. No matter how you start, through a ranking list, a hot category, or your own query, AI Pickr analyzes from multiple angles, market trends, price range, profit insights, and projected performance, then displays the best matches in the right-hand panel. Click on any product to view its details, check its historical performance, and instantly add it to your favorites or import list. And here's the best part, AI Pickr isn't a separate tool, it's built directly into the Doba platform. That means every product it recommends can be dropshipped instantly with one click through Doba. No inventory, no logistics headaches. You can list it straight to your Shopify, Walmart, or TikTok store in seconds. AI-powered sourcing plus Doba fulfillment. You just focus on selling, and let the system do the rest. Want to find your next bestseller? Don't wait, let AI Pickr show you what's trending, what's profitable, and what's ready to sell right now.